So you can write next to this, homework numbers 32 and 33 are just like this with a pendulum question. You could also put a star by this. This is a guaranteed test question. It's not hard. We're actually going to go back and use the sum formula for this. This is kind of a good little review of the sum formula, and we're going to talk more about that tomorrow because the number one quiz mistakes all dealt with the geometric sum formulas. That people mix them up, when to use the infinite one and when to use the finite one. When you're given n, that's when you use the one that actually has an n in it. When you're not given n, you're going to use the infinite one, which is what we're going to have here. So if you look at this, all of these are going to be talking about a pendulum or something that swings. This is a pendulum that is released to swing freely, travels at 18 inches. That 18 inches is going to be our A1. That's the first swing. Okay. Then it says on each successive swing, the pendulum travels 80%. You're going to be given some percentage, which is going to be your R. Just make it a decimal. So 0.80. Okay. Now it says, what is the total distance the pendulum swings? Total distance is talking about the sum. If I were to add up all of those swings back and forth and back and forth and back and forth until it stops moving, how far did that pendulum travel? So we want to find out the sum. Since we don't know n, and we had this written on the board during your quiz, when you don't know n, you use the infinite sum formula. And this is the one I think a lot of people want to use because it is the easier of the two formulas. It's just that easy one. What's up? You already have them. You've had these for a couple weeks now. This is literally the last page. Okay, so easy sum formula, infinite sum because we don't know n. All we got to do is plug in A1 and R. So the sum is 18 over 1 minus 0.80. So we get 18 over 0.2. If you put that in your calculator, that pendulum traveled 90 inches.